jumping.
I shall jump off.
Careful.
I shall jump off.
Go on then, jump.
And now I shall go in the car and smash my head.
Oh, that's it. We're going too far now. Oh, you've hurt him.
Get up.
Nice and slowly around the garden. Say something, you two, for posterity. Say something. Yeah, you feel stupid. Joanne, say something. Joanne, with this mate, say something. Go ahead, basket. Oh yeah. Who threw that at me?
Me. Bouncy.
Ben, what are you saying?
What?
What? In the basket, lads.
I needed that. No!
Hey boys, how are we doing?
I know.
Would you like to say anything? It seems to be me that's doing all the speaking here. Ben,
This is how you do it.
come on then. Ben?
This is how you do it properly. I need that one, Paul.
Screaming. Now what's going on in here? You're not going to I'm going to get myself on this. I've never been on the video myself. Careful, boys. We're going too far. Yeah.
For dinner, then left all the sinners. I'm Popeye the Holy Man.
This week, Popeye baptizes Brutus.
Hey, Popeye, takes off that big dumb hat before I knocks it off.
Oh, yeah? Take this, you big palookas.
Holy water, Popeye.
And next week, Popeye hears Olive Oil's confession.
Oh, my gosh.
Be there, or be St. Peter's Square.